Hello and welcome to SolidWorks Tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to make a simple rectangular box in SolidWorks. Let's get started. First of all we have to do is click on File and create a new part. Select part, click OK. Now we are here with this interface. Now all we have to do is select a plane from these three planes. We have to select one plane. Let's select plane 1, and when you click on plane 1 we have few options. There is option of sketch, so click sketch. As we are going to make a rectangular box, so as you can see here are few shapes and lines, so we are going to select a rectangle. So with the rectangular shape there is a simple cursor. When you click on it there are more rectangles. Let's say center rectangle, corner rectangle, whichever you want to select. For instance, I am going to select center rectangle. Let's click here or here, anywhere you want. And when you right click, expand it wherever you want, the dimensions you want, and just click again. Here it is, click, check it. Now, when we are going to make a box, we have some specific dimensions in our mind. So, to give the dimensions to our box, we have to select this option. Click on Smart Dimensions. Let's say we are going to tweak the dimension of this line. Click here, see a menu pops up with the length, and here you can give your desired value. Let's say I want a box with 10 mm width. Type 10 and hit enter. See, now this side 10 mm, hit enter. See, the sketch part is done. Now the next step is how to convert it into a 3D shape. So how are we gonna do it? Go to the features tab on the top left corner, click, and here you can see Extrude Boss base. So this option is used to make a 3D sketch, 2D sketch convert to 3D. Just click here, see, the sketch is auto selected. And from here you can change the thickness of our box. It's up to you. See, you can go either direction, but there's second method to give the width of the box from here. Let's say I want 10 mm, so type 10 and hit enter. See, click OK. See, a rectangular box is ready. Now to change the appearance of this box, all we have to do is click here and go to and select any appearance you want. Let's say metal, plastic. Go to plastic, double click on this. See, and if you want to give more realistic look to our to our 3D model, let's click here and enable these options. See, go to appearance again, click on orange. See, let's say glass. See, any material you want, you could select from here. Texture glass, brass. See how beautiful it looks. So That's it from today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.